In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to join any Minecraft Bedrock Edition server in the world on Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch consoles for completely free. Not only that, but I will also be showing you how to use any texture pack you desire in those servers, including the partnered ones like Hive MC. Do I have your attention? Great, let's get into this. First, on your smartphone or tablet, head over to the Google Play Store if you're on Android or the iOS App Store if you're on an Apple device. You are looking for the app that is called Bedrock Connect. The links are down below if you need them. For this to work, you only need two apps. You need the Bedrock Connect app, which you've just downloaded, and you need the app called Files or any kind of file manager. There's a lot more file managers on offer if you're on an Android device. You do not need Minecraft. You don't need to own Minecraft on iOS or Android for this to be possible. As long as you own Minecraft on Xbox, Switch, or PlayStation, this is going to work for you. First, you just want to open up the app. So this is Bedrock Connect. It's really simple and easy to use. If you just want to join a server on Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch, number one, they do have partner servers, so if you would like to join one of them, again, I highly recommend it. This one I've been playing a little bit and it is updated to the latest versions. Make sure the servers that you are using are on the latest versions that you are using. So if you don't want to play them and you don't want to go ahead and play the featured servers, that's not a problem at all, because you can put in any IP you desire. If you want to put an IP inside of here, you can do that. This website right here has thousands of different servers that you can join. And in fact, in today's video, we're going to be using one of these servers as an example. Once you found the server that you want, I'm just going to simply copy the IP for the server and go back to the app. Call the server whatever you want. We're going to be checking out, I think it's called Falling Tech. Then we're going to get ourselves the IP. So what we're going to do here is paste it. We are going to allow the paste right here. Now, what we need to do here is get rid of that. It just needs to be play.fallentech.io, because usually these servers are using the default ports. But if they're not, make sure you type in the correct port. And all you're going to do then is click add the server. And what this is going to do is add the server in the custom section of the app. Next, just tap on the server. And all you do is watch an ad to start. This ad will be no longer than 30 seconds. Once the ad is complete, this will pop up just saying, reminder, do not minimize or close the app to prevent unwanted behavior. If you enter the server, you can close the app again. Click OK. Now, if you do have any problems at all, their Discord is down below. They're really helpful. You can create a ticket and they will walk through the steps one by one to make sure you can get access to any of the servers you want. At this point, it's now time to boot up the console. So let's move over to Xbox. Once on your console, just boot up Minecraft. Press play. Now, you do not need to go over to the server section. As you guys know, on the likes of Xbox, Switch, and PlayStation, you can't put in external IPs, and these are the only servers that you can play. You need to go into the friends section. Now, at this point, I want to remind you that you need to be on the same network, the same internet for this to be possible. But in the LAN section, you will see the server that you typed in. For me, it's Fallen Tech. Now, if we tap on this, what it is going to do is load for me like a regular server. Now, some of them do have server packs, so if it does prompt you to download a server pack, I recommend doing it. As you can see here, this one is 0.6 MB, and we're just going to do this in real time until we get in. And as you can see, we have now loaded in on a custom server on my Xbox Series X. This works for all of the Xboxes, apart from the 360, obviously. It also works for PlayStation 4 and 5 and Nintendo Switch. Finally, we are able to play custom servers. But let's say you really didn't want to mess around with the default texture and you wanted to use your own PvP style texture pack. Well, that is what I'm going to show you. Go back to the Bedrock Connect app on your smartphone or tablet. Now, a few more things I want to run you through. On the top right, they have like a gold coin. It has a crown. They do have a premium version. So if ads are super annoying, you can get rid of them. And also unlimited custom servers. Again, you can become a premium member. Now, if you tap on the question mark on the bottom, there's tons of things to help you out here. I will do my best to help you out in the comment section if you have any problems. But this literally tells you everything you need to know. And at the top, they do have join their Discord. Like I said, highly recommend joining their Discord because they are really, really helpful. I've showed you how to get access to servers in general, whether it's their featured servers in general, or custom ones. Now, the question mark is going to be your FAQ and your guide if you have any problems, but there is a settings option. Tap on that. Now, if you want to use a custom texture pack, we're going to be using a custom texture pack. At the top, it says enable server packs. So we're just going to tap on that. Now, there's going to be a drop down that says texture pack path. Now, this is going to take you to, well, for me, it's taking me to the resource packs. I can go to the iCloud area. I can go to on my iPad. At this point, it's now time to download a pack. So let's do it. Find a texture pack you want. A few websites I recommend is mcpedl.com. We do have mcbedrock.com. We also have places like planetminecraft.com. There's so many places for you to download free texture packs. So now find a pack that you want to use. We're going to use this one right here, which is Goldie V2. I like the idea behind this because, again, it's a PvP based one. So we're just going to download this. It's just showing you what our game is going to look like. This is where things are important because this download is specifically going to be a .mc pack. You need the file to be a .zip. Now, if it is a .mc pack, not a problem at all because we can change it within the Files app. And if you've got a file manager on iOS or Android, it's going to work the exact same. Head over to your Files app. Now, for me, it's just going to be on the downloads area. You can see I've been messing around with a couple of these, and you can see here that this is a .mc pack, while the other ones are, in fact, a .zip. So all you want to do here is rename it. That's all you want to do. And what you want to do is get rid of where it says the .mc pack and change it to a .zip and click done. And what this is going to say is, do you want to keep it as an MC pack or use a .zip? We're going to click use .zip, and now that is a zip file. What I am going to do specifically, though, is I'm going to copy this and I'm just going to move it to a location which is easy for me to access. So, for example, I'm just going to now hold down in here and paste it inside of here, because when I open up the Bedrock Connect app, I can find this location much easier. Go back to the app. Go to your settings. Now make sure this is enabled again, and then what you want to do is select the path where that texture pack is located. So I'm going to go back to on my iPad. I'm going to select this. We now have this pack enabled. Now, at this point, it's now time to go back to a server. I'm going to use the server that I showed you at the start of this video. It's one of their partnered ones. It's this one right here. So like previously, whether you're using a featured server or a custom server, we now need to watch an ad, and it's time to go back to my Xbox. Go on play once again, go across to friends, and find the server that you picked. So once we go on this, it's likely going to prompt me to download two separate packs. So download and join. This is 13.3 MB. We're going to download this one. It is going to reload again, but you can see the Goldie V2 pack is enabled and it does work on this server. Now it's asking me to download this. Just prompt and accept it. That is their server resource pack. Don't worry, it's not going to overwrite on you. Agree their terms of service. And you can see this is the pack that I showed you that we downloaded is now working on this server. And you can do this to Hive MC, and you can do this to any of the servers that you like to play on. I actually really like this pack quite a lot. Now, there is one more thing I would like to show you, because what this app does is technically replaces the server packs with the custom ones that you have chosen. As you know, when you join the likes of Hive MC, it automatically downloads a pack for you, and you have no choice but to use the packs that they have selected for you. So if you do want to change the likes of the Hive MC packs, gonna save and quit. Now what you want to do here is go back to your settings and scroll down to storage. In here, there's going to be cached data. You can see here, these are all the Hive MC packs. Now, unfortunately, you are going to have to delete these if you want to use your custom packs. In fact, the server I was previously using, they're all there as well. So what we are going to do is delete every single one of these. Once you've deleted them all, click on play. Do not go to the server option and click on Hive from here, because I've just booted up Hive from the app itself. Now what we're going to do is we're going to boot the server up again. It's going to prompt us to download the pack that you want to use on Hive. For example, Goldie V2. So there is a way to change the Hive packs. It's going to prompt me to download one more. All of the packs that they've recommended here. But it's not going to override the pack that you want to use. So, yeah, some things might bug out here and there. But I'm now using Goldie V2 on Hive MC. Any kind of pack that you want to use can be used on servers. Huge thank you to Bedrock Connect for sponsoring today's video. If you have any problems, I highly recommend checking out their Discord or leave a comment down below. I'm sure the guys over there can help you out in the comment section if I can't help you out. But yeah, seeing Hive with a different texture pack looks pretty awesome.